Okay, now we're going to move on and make gloss number 2, which was the highly pigmented, pretty pink gloss base with pink glitter, cosmetic ultrafine glitter for use on the lips. And we're going to begin. I already used this same bowl for the same formula and the same cup. So I'm just going to, for the sake of materials, keep it, and it's not cross-contaminated or anything because I was using it for the exact same formula in lip gloss. So let's begin by putting 60 mLs of the Versagel. Yes, this is messy. I'm clean but messy when I'm creating. If that makes sense. There's the Versagel. Now, I'm going to add the coconut oil. It's 30 mLs. And 5 mLs of the vegetable glycerin, which helps to work as an emulsifier and has a lot of benefits for the lips, like new cell turnover and moisture retention, but only in like a 10% amount. All right, so there is our base. Now we just need to mix it up. All right, we got our base mixed in pretty good. Well, good, because it needs to be mixed in really good. Now we're going to add the glitter. And these little spoons are 0.5 ml, so half of an ml each. So I'm going to add 1.5 glitter. 1, 2, that's 1.5. That's the glitter. And mix it in. So this is basically how you make the base for the first gloss, which is pink glitter with a gloss base. And it's going to be mixed better also when I mix in the color. So there's the pink glitter. Now we're going to take the TKB pink pigment. We're going to put a couple drops. One little squirt. I'm going to mix it in. Such a pretty color. You have to name each gloss, so this is just so pretty. It's like reminds me of candy. Speaking of candy, we need to add in our flavor oil, which is going to be the mixed berry. It does smell like candy. I'm going to put 10 drops. Smells really good. All right, now we're going to fill a couple tubes. So if you want to make a lot of gloss at one time, this probably isn't going to work using this little cup. But if you're just going to make, I don't know, 5 or maybe 10, you could use this little cup. Whoa. I should have used my spoon. I'm silly. Like I said, I'm clean, sanitary, but I'm messy. So there we go, our cup full of gloss. Makes it easier to use the syringe to suck it up. Use the syringe on the same product earlier, so I'm going to suck up the gloss with my syringe. Slow and steady so that way we don't lose the seal. Keep the wand at the bottom so it doesn't suck up air. Paper makes it look even messier because the oil on the paper shows. All right, there we go. Got a full tube of the pink gloss. Now we're going to grab a wand. We're going to put our pipette on. This is the same pipette I used earlier. The same formula. I'm going to hold the gloss tube sideways. You have to have strong lip glossing hands. And it does get greasy on the outside of the wand, but you're going to wash it off afterward anyway. There we go. All right, so we have that. We need to put a little plastic piece in the wand. There we go. And put there we go. have a very pretty pink lip gloss with pink glitter. And we will clean out the outside of the wand, and it'll be perfectly shiny and ready to go.